Welcome gang, SkyPilot here. The Geprc Skip HD. This thing needs no intros. Check out my last videos if you want to know the specs of this little cracker. Onboard HD recording, and this is going to be a quick intro. We're just going to take to the sky, get some DVR going. Done a couple of antenna mods, so we'll see how that goes. Glad you could stop by. Drop us a comment, drop us a thumbs up. Hope you're well. Fly safe. Hey gang, how you going? SkyPilot here. Yep, just going for a quick fly of my Geprc Skip HD, sporting the Caddx V2 as you can see on the screen there. Quick word of warning, I do know you shouldn't fly near towers, however I thought I would have a crack at it anyway, see how this skip handles the tower terror that some of you guys may have had in the past. I'm just going to show you quickly any second now what happens when you do fly close to these towers. All seems well for a brief moment, then all of a sudden out of the blue, yeah, you're just going to lose your quad completely and it's just going to fall, like what's happening right here. And then you must initiate the beeper so you can find it, which is what I did. So yeah, I sort of knew it was going to happen, but I did it anyway just to see what I could get away with. This is an awesome little unit to fly. So just in case I was possibly incorrect before, I thought, yeah, I'll have another go. And let's see what happens again. Again, there's no warning, it just falls. And yeah, completely out of control. Where the bloody hell are you? Anyway guys, make sure you got your beeper going, so when this sort of thing does happen to you, you can recover your quad and get back flying again. I'm just trying to check out the jello of this little Caddx, but from what I see, sun shining, it's a decent picture. I'm impressed. Thanks for stopping by. Drop me a comment. I'll see you again soon. Take it easy guys. Bye for now.